Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinku Foodies. It's mango season here, so today I'm sharing a rich, creamy and absolutely delicious mango cheesecake recipe. It's made with a simple honey almond crust and the filling is a wholesome blend of yogurt, cashews, paneer and of course mangoes. It's rich, fruity, refreshing and an easy to make dessert to enjoy this summer. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll make the cheesecake crust. Into a blender add 1 cup of almonds and blend them into a fine powder. The almond powder is ready. Transfer it to a bowl. Add 1.5 tablespoons of honey. Mix well. And then press this crust mixture into a parchment paper lined cheesecake pan. Use a spatula to spread and press it evenly. Now bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the cheesecake filling. Add 1/3 cup of cashews to the same blender and grind them into a fine powder. Then add 1 large, roughly chopped mango, followed by 1 cup of thick yogurt. I am using Skyr, but Greek yogurt or Indian hunkered works just as well. Now add 100 grams of roughly chopped paneer. One-fourth cup of cane sugar or any sweetener of your choice. And 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Blend everything until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Pour the filling onto the completely cooled crust. Use a spoon to spread it evenly. And tap the pan a few times to settle the mixture. Bake it in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 50 to 55 minutes. And it's ready. Let the cheesecake cool completely. Then keep it in the fridge to chill for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. My cheesecake got a slight crack in the middle because I placed it in the fridge before it was fully cooled. So make sure to let yours cool properly. But I don't mind since I'm topping it with fruits anyway. Also, to avoid cracks during baking, you can use water bath method. Click on the link here to check how it's done. I'm topping it with chopped mangoes and berries. Feel free to replace them with your choice of fruits. This mango cheesecake is definitely a must-try summer dessert. It's simple to make, uses everyday healthy ingredients, and works beautifully for birthdays, festivals, or any celebration. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you have never tried an easy, tasty and healthy mango cheesecake recipe, do give it a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.